Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm here again with another video, and this time it's about how I achieve my flawless base. Right now I just have the foundation, the concealer and the setting powder. I didn't apply any blush or highlighter or contour, and look how beautiful my base already looks. So we all know what the new norm is. We couldn't have imagined this situation a year back. Now we cannot even step out of the house without wearing a mask, and it's really important to have a good base beneath your mask with skin friendly ingredients so that it does not transfer onto the mask. Also, our Indian skin tones, they are so diverse, and it is so difficult to find out the right shade for your skin tone, and I haven't seen many brands that can offer you such diverse range of shades. I personally love the Maybelline Fit Me range. This includes the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. This has got an SPF 22. This has got a mattifying finish for a shine-free look. It matches my skin tone beautifully and provides a very natural, seamless finish to the skin. I also love the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 25 medium. And I also love the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is also in the shade 25 medium. I'm going to show you how I achieve my flawless base. Now, number one, it's very important to select the right shade. I really love the consistency of the foundation. It is not too thick, not too watery. So I'm just going to take the foundation and apply it with my beauty blender. I mean, can you see how beautiful the coverage is? You can see the difference between this side and this side. My dark circles almost vanished. And I absolutely love the coverage of this. You can build the coverage according to your liking. I'm just going to build a little bit of coverage around my mouth. I always use my wet beauty sponge to apply a foundation. You can also apply it with a brush. You can also apply any kind of setting spray on your beauty sponge and apply your foundation so that your foundation stays longer. This is a matte foundation, and it does not feel sticky or tacky at all. It does not feel that you're wearing anything. It is so lightweight. I mean, I applied the foundation and it does not feel like I have anything on my face. I love how the foundation gives a very natural finish. It does not feel like, it does not look like you're wearing makeup. It just looks like your skin, but better, and that is the kind of finish that I love the most. This has a clay formula, and that makes it a perfect foundation to wear every day. Now I'm going to apply the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 25 medium, and I apply it under my eyes just for a little bit of highlight and to hide my dark circles. And it blends so easily and so effortlessly, so smoothly, and you guys can just see it for yourself how beautiful the coverage and the finish is. I just love the coverage of the Fit Me range. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is also in the shade 25, and with my damp sponge I'm going to apply it to set my under eye area. And I just can't believe how beautiful and flawless and airbrush this side of my eye looks. After applying the powder, it instantly just gave a beautiful airbrush finish, and I love how my base looks. I'll give you a closer look. I love the lightweight formula and how it's non-comedogenic. Maybelline has done an impeccable job at this. They have 18 different shades to match every Indian skin tone. As I said, they have 18 different shades. You can use a darker shade of this foundation for your contour. You can also use a lighter shade as your concealer. This has got SPF 22, which is so important these days when we go out and summer's approaching, the sun's out, it's really hot. So it's matte as well as got an SPF of 22, which is a win-win. It has also got a clay formula, which is skin friendly, and it makes it perfect to wear it as an everyday foundation under your mask. Now to find your perfect shade, the best thing you can do is go visit a store, but if you don't want to visit a store, then they also have a virtual try-on their website where you can just upload a picture. You need to just answer a couple of questions and you can find your perfect shade. Now I'm going to try my mask on and see how it feels. My skin feels like I haven't applied any foundation or any makeup product. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Getting the perfect base is very, very easy, trust me, if you get the right kind of products. I am going to mention all the links in the description box, so make sure you check it. And you can check all the shades that they're offering and select a shade according to your skin tone. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.